What's going on, everyone? Chris Jarzyk, your Southwest Florida realtor with MVP Realty, coming to you from Esplanade Lake Club in Fort Myers, Florida. As you can see behind me, I am in the kitchen. Esplanade Lake Club offers natural gas. Every home will have natural gas. I want to take you outside real quick and show you the Lazio model's outdoor kitchen upgrade with the fireplace, and you can kind of see it in the background. We have the 352 acre lake that you can have a watercraft on. If you have questions about Esplanade Lake Club or any of the homes featured in Esplanade Lake Club, feel free to click the link in the description box below and I can send you the information. Or you can give me a call. My number is 239-823-1685. We can talk about the community and also my buyer's incentive that I am currently offering. Thanks for checking out the video, and we'll see you on the next one.